Stop 1 second. Come here. Do you have an ID on? Don't run across the street. Foot pursuit. She's running up try. Middle of Clifton.
What is going on? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, cops.
Keep your hands. Stop resisting.
What did I do?
Turn over. First of all, do not grab on me.
No,
you
I didn't
understand me?
What'd I do? What'd I do? I didn't do anything.
Then why are you running?
Because I didn't know what was going on. I didn't do anything.
Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
What is the problem?
Spread your feet.
Who is this person? Hold on, what do you mean?
Stop. I'm searching you.
For what?
Still.
For what?
Right now, you're under arrest for a minimum of obstruction.
Please. Please.
Turn away from me.
I have PTSD.
Okay, well, let's make it easy.
Can you just let go? Just let go, please.
No. Get in the car. Get off. Get on my. Do not grab my taser.
No, I'm
You
not.
hear
I'm
me?
not.
You were.
No, I'm not.
It's gone.
Please help me. Help me. Help me.
Do not kick me.
I'm not. Help me. Can I stand outside?
Unbuckle it.
Just let me
Unbuckle it.
stand outside. Please. Can I stand outside?
No, you're under arrest.
No. No.
Get back.
Wait, please help me.
You're gonna
Get in
more
there now.
charges. Get in the car.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Stopping and resisting arrest
For
right
what?
These two fighting? No, she was
He kept
trying to cross Clifton.
She ran away from me for no reason. Her shoes are over there.
Please let me open the door so you man. Please. Please.
First of all, you ran from police. Okay, so why run?
I didn't know what was happening.
Okay.
I thought someone was going to be pursuing me. No, I'm not. I'm just right here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please. I just am in pain. Please, I'm in pain. Can I just sit down on the ground? Can I sit right here, please? No.
Stop. Stop for 1 second. John. Hold on.
I'm not. I would never hurt anybody.
Hold on. She was already out of the handcuffs. So what we're going to do
Please talk.
is we're going to find out what she's trying to hide.
I'm not trying to hide anything.
Well,
Okay,
she is.
I'm a mental health
They
patient.
were both heroin
I have
addicts.
PTSD.
Fake seizures.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Please listen to me. I was afraid. I have
She doesn't have a
PTSD.
phone, so it's on there.
I don't have anything. Please, can I just stand here?
No,
Please?
you better not.
Can you open the door? Can I leave the door open? Please. Please, can I do this, please?
Will you tell me what your name is?
Yes.
Get in the seat.
Come on.
Just please.
We've had her before and make fake seizures.
No, I.
What is your first name?
Victoria.
Cards. My cards. Did they say anything?
We're still in the middle of the investigation, so.
I was the person.
You called in,
I
right?
called in,
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, you should stay out here. Do we need to talk to you, or did you drive?
No, I just walked.
You walked.
Because I walked down to CVS and they were doing transactions.
Okay.
And then they walked me over to the Days Inn.
Okay.
Do you understand? What is your last name? Look at me. What is your social?
May I please ask you a question?
Hey, get away from me for a second. What is your social?
But please, can
Where
you
do you
listen?
live?
I don't have anywhere to live right now.
Okay, were you staying at the Days?
No.
Days Inn?
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I was visiting a friend.
62 copy of the
May I please ask you something?
You may.
Listen.
Well,
We don't know who Anthony is. I thought Anthony was the guy.
She says she knows where he is.
If he can get his stuff back, they've probably got $450 in transactions since they lifted his credit card at your end.
They took his.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, somebody took it.
Go ahead. Here's the thing.
You need to go to detox.
I'm supposed to go to detox. Please don't put me in jail when I'm supposed to go to detox. I was supposed to go. I'm an inch away.
Okay.
I do have I might have a warrant because there was a court date I needed to reschedule. Okay. But here's the thing. I would never harm anybody. But I was afraid. I didn't know what was going on. I'm sorry. But I'm supposed to go to detox. Can you give me a chance?
He just happens to live by CVS. So as he's going there, he sees two alerts come by his phone that somebody's using his card now at CVS in Lakewood. So he goes over there and he's like, well, who's using my card? And they're like, that lady right there, which is the one we have detained at the Days Inn. She says she got the card from Anthony and this female. And if she's saying another female, she's like, she's going out the front doors right there. And that's when
she started running.
Stand by.
Are you? Can you give me a chance?
I'm listening. What do you need to tell me? I don't care about a warrant. What do you need to tell about? Tell me.
Right in the middle of the road.
What?
Can I not go to jail?
Tell me.
You're looking for Anthony, right?
I'm not. I'm looking for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you went running. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay, I don't either. I just got scared and I have PTSD.
Okay.
Look, I know
Very
I
good.
have a warrant, but the thing is, I'm supposed to go to detox.
Where's it out of? Where's your warrant out of?
Honestly, I don't know. I might not even have one, but
Figure it out then.
here's the thing. If I
Okay.
do,
Huh?
am I able to go or not?
And when did your card go missing?
It must have been last night. I went to Buckeye with my girlfriend, and either it fell out of my pocket, or maybe somehow it was inside on the floor and someone picked it up.
What times were you there? Like, what time did you go and leave? Approximately, it doesn't have to be exact.
Yeah, it was around 9:30.
That you left?
Yeah, because we were there to watch the Bengals game.
Okay. So you probably got there shortly before the game started, and then after they canceled it, you left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I able to go or not?
It depends if they want you. If it's with us, we're going to take you. If it's with somebody else, it's up to them if they want you. But the only way that this is going to go smoothly for you is if you sit calmly and you be cooperative.
Can I?
No, you're being detained, so you're going to stay in handcuffs.
That's fine.
I'm going to shut the door because I'm going to call dispatch and ask them to run you. Okay? I will be back. Don't stick your feet out. Thank you.
I think it was a lost cause.
The medics are here to talk to you. It's not going to stop you from going to jail. You're going to go to the hospital if you need to go to the hospital, then you're going to go to jail. You're going to go to jail regardless. So don't think because you want to go to the hospital, you're not going to end up going to jail. Okay, I'm the numbers. I have the last 6 of the Apple card, the last 4 of the Apple card. And this is all with your Apple card?
Yes. Here, I can give you some of that info so that you can tell them. I already talked to the guy for a second over there.
Okay.
What's hurting you again one more time?
I have an open thing in my
An
wrist.
open sore somewhere that
It's
we
on
don't
my
know.
wrist. It's my wrist. I can't see
She's
it.
saying she can't see it because it's
Covered up.
I'll see it. Don't you worry.
something.
Oh, it's really bad. Last few days. I was supposed to go.
When?
I literally was supposed to go like literally any day. I just didn't have a way to get there because I was supposed to go to detox in Toledo to see because I don't have my Medicaid's messed up right now.
All right, let's go.
You want her? She's a flight risk.
I'm actually not going to do anything. I'm sorry. I was just scared.
I let them walk for a second, and I walked out, and I was like, "Give me my words. I know it was you.
Right.
Like, it just happened." And they said that they didn't have the card. They handed it to someone else whenever they went outside. So that's what I was going to go over there and look at the cameras and see if there was anyone who came in.
All right.
He's just going straight after it. Winners of the day. Oh, my hero.
Okay, officer. You have to walk in the classroom.
Getting released.
Because they're bringing her. You guys are bringing her to the ED?
Am I getting released?
Do you still want to go? No.
I'm being released.
Do you want to go to the hospital? Because you're getting citations from us.
Okay, so just citations. I'm getting released.
Yes.
Okay, then yeah, that's fine. And then I'll go to the hospital after I get my stuff.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
I'm really grateful for you doing this. Thank you. I did not mean any harm at all.
You almost got one of our officers run over by a car. What about that?
I honestly didn't even realize what I was doing.
Or
I was
yourself
scared.
on Brooklyn Boulevard in the middle of rush hour.
I hope I'm not on the news. That's really embarrassing. I'm sorry.
Hopefully not. I didn't see any news vans around.
That's true.
All right.
I don't know.
Let's
I'm just-
scribble for you.